Webull trading service, honest review, watch before using. Links to the product are added in the description, so feel free to check them out anytime. Let's dive right in. Webull is a commission-free trading platform designed for modern investors who want powerful tools, a sleek interface, and access to various markets without the burden of high fees. It supports trading in stocks, ETFs, options, and cryptocurrencies, making it a versatile option for beginners and experienced traders alike. One standout feature of Webull is its highly detailed and customizable charts. It provides an advanced level of technical analysis tools, including indicators, trend lines, and drawing tools, which are typically found in more expensive platforms. It also offers real-time market data, extended trading hours, and a paper trading feature that lets users practice strategies without risking real money. For beginners, Webull simplifies the experience by offering an intuitive mobile app and desktop interface, while seasoned traders will appreciate the depth of functionality and data. Another highlight is its zero-commission trading model, which means no fees for stock or ETF trades. That said, options trading has a small contract fee, and some advanced features may involve costs. The app is especially popular among younger traders who want robust tools without paying extra for premium services. However, note that Webull may not be ideal for those seeking in-depth research reports or managed portfolios, as it is tailored more toward hands-on traders. To sum up, Webull is best suited for self-directed investors who want a feature-rich platform without commissions. It's not perfect for everyone, but if you're a tech-savvy trader looking for an affordable yet powerful tool, Webull might be just right for you. If this review helped you, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews to help you make informed decisions. Don't forget to share this with others who might find it useful. See you in the next one.